So, this is Kate Cordelia and this is my reaction video for the requirements in my purposive communication. So, I am finally done watching the Wiring a Web for Global Good by Gordon Brown, and I will be answering the guide question, and I will also sharing an example and some little explanation about the video. So, let's start. So, the video is such an inspiring speech wherein it opened my mind to global issues and the significance of a good communication. Problems are arising because of such misunderstanding. Brown gives an example of such problems, which I see people suffer. Every day, there are people who faces such challenges because they are a victim. A victim of what? A victim of miscommunication. So let's move on for my answers to the guide question. Guide question letter A. What global issues have emerged because of miscommunication? In Gordon's Brown, Wiring a Web for Global Good, he highlights persistent global issues such as social injustice, environmental challenges, terrorism, wars, racism, and poverty. These problems have been exacerbated by miscommunication worldwide, which often leads to misunderstanding and conflict between nations, preventing global cooperation. As people become more aware of the struggles faced by others around the world, the rise of globalization offers hope. Advocates for change, like Gordon Brown, aim to address these issues not only for wealthy nations, but also to support poorer countries in their development and improvement. Guide question letter B. How can effective communication and language use contribution to the creation of a truly global society? Communication and language have often been viewed as barriers between people globally. However, modern global communication technologies have made it possible for people to connect effectively across the world. This improved communication can enhance our future through globalization and the exchange of opportunities, fostering beneficial business and partnerships between countries. Such effective communication can strengthen international relationships, aiding the efforts of Gordon Brown and numerous local and global organizations in their quest to create a better world for all. So this video highlights the importance of a good communication, wherein a good communication can help globalization to have a good connection wherein both parties can have a benefit. Just like the poverty. Example is, diba, pwede naman tayong magbigay ng tulong natin kung nakakagaan-gaan tayo sa buhay, and pwede naman tayong tumulong sa kagaya ng Africa na mahirap sila, diba? So, a good communication, pag may nanghihingi ng tulong sa atin, halimbawa sa internet, na balitaan natin na mahirap nga yung Africa and they need help, and ayun, may crisis sila na pinagdaraanan and they are facing poverty. So, as a one nation, or as syempre tao naman tayo lahat, and responsibility natin na tumulong sa ibang tao because we are all in this world and kailangan natin ng mundo. Ayun, good communication is wherein we can help the people around to solve their problems, and kung sila naman yung nakakagaan, pwede naman sila yung tumulong din sa atin. And that's an effective communication. Ayun ako. Thank you.